on this tiny screen. But the resort is huge. Over 80 acres in all. That's big enough for swimming, fishing.
That's what I'm talking about.
Cool.
Oh, sweet.
Dream of doing. Plus, a few things you probably never even imagined, like eating ice cream for breakfast.
I know that's right.
Candyland game, and probably some of the most exciting places on Earth. But hold on, I'm really getting ahead of myself now.
Spell your first name.
Yaheim.
And how do you say it?
Yaheim. I'm 16 years old.
Okay, how about that? What did Jamie give you?
She gave me gift cards to go get things for the trip, and she allowed my family members to come with me, and I can't wait to go.
Tell me what trip.
We're going to Florida, to Disney World, Universal Studios and Legoland, and to Sea World and other parks that's down there.
And what do you want to see?
All of them, basically. It's kind of hard to decide, but I really wanted to go to Universal Studios and check that one out. That's sort of been my favorite one.
So you want to see the characters, so the superheroes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, tell me about superheroes.
I love the superheroes, like especially Marvel. I really love Marvel. I would love to see Marvel characters and Star Wars characters. Pretty cool to hang around them, take pictures. That'd be pretty cool.
I'm Yaheim's mom.
Okay. And what does this mean to them?
It means so much to me. How special, of a young man he is, and how a lot of the people, a lot of the teams, the doctors have taken a lot of care for Yaheim, and us to meet Jamie has been a privilege for me and the family. We wasn't expecting to have this wonderful dream, that he asked for, and the family is so very ecstatic, and it's just very, very thankful to Miss Jamie and the whole organization for making this possible for Yaheim.
See, it's your meal.
Whoa! French fries are so good.
Yeah, they are. I usually don't like those kind, but they're good.
The rice wasn't. It was okay. But the meatloaf, whew.
Oops.
I got through 2 of them, which is pretty cool. I got a half, and this one.